I'm going to show you how to set up a forward for your new email account. There are a couple of different ways to deal with email. You can get it directly off a server, say with your Outlook program or one of those kind of programs, or you can set up a forward to your regular email address. The latter, the forward, is the easiest to set up, and it's probably the most popular way to deal with this. So we're going to cover that first, if for no other reason, because it's the easiest. You may have received an email that looks something like this. Your administrator or someone from Indie Networks has sent you a login information on how to get into your email. I'm using a couple of my personal email accounts. Indie Networks email is set up a little bit differently. So you can click on this link to get there. Another way you can get to that email page, your site should be set up if you type in your address /mail. Will take you to the login screen. So in this case, I'm going to go back to that email to get my login information. My username is WebDork. You gotta have a little fun with this stuff. I'm just going to paste that in. And my temporary password, 49U. Paste that in. Sign in. That's going to force me to change my password, which I'm okay with that. And Google has these most distorted captcha images of any of them, so we'll see if we get lucky and actually get this right the first time. Wow, very difficult to read. Create my account. I don't know if I've ever read one of those terms of service things or not. Okay, we're in. Now you can actually use this Gmail interface to get your mail. So you can, if you're already a Gmail user and you want to, you don't mind logging in to another Gmail account, you can use this. But what we're going to do for this forward is we're going to go up here to the top where it says Settings. And I would encourage you to maybe go through these and explore this a little bit, but for now we're just going to go to forwarding. We want to forward a copy. We're going to forward this to Jeff at peacetrain.com. You can either leave a copy here on the Gmail interface. You can archive it in Gmail. You can delete it off it. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in. Now remember, your administrator would have access to this too. So if for some reason you don't want anyone to, you would get. We'll put it this way: you would be more privacy. You would get more privacy to just delete it after you did the forward. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and keep it in. Now what I've done is jumped over to a Hotmail account, and we're going to test that email address. I'm going to say let me get my WebDork at jeffnewman.net. Now when I go to this is the email address that we set up for it to forward to. I've got it. That concludes this tutorial.